Hello, Mr. Mohammed Abraham. Shirley here. Thank you so much. Warmly welcome to our SIPUXIN, the second floor, the showroom. Here is around 2,000 square meters. And let me kindly take you around. Here we have a big discount for you and just want to thinking whether you have interest in. This is various kinds of the filling machine. I have already quoted you, similar like this. You know, these two lines is 8 nozzles, okay? Here is the RO, water treatment section, perfume section, semi-automatic filling section, the perfume packing section, vacuum filling, 2 nozzles, air cleaning, creeping, silicone packing, electric pump for cream, for lotion, viscose materials filling machine, perfume storage disperser, fully automatic perfume machine. And kindly give me this chance because I want to take you to see this machine, this line. 10 days ago, what I was getting the inquiry, that is 4 nozzles. However, now these existing machines, we have a big discount. So bottom turnable transfer to this 6 nozzles auto filling machine. You can see 6 nozzles. Is especially suitable for shampoo, body lotion, hair care cream, detergent. 6 nozzles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connected with a screw capping machine. And this screw capping machine is a higher configuration because this is a hydraulic lifting. You can see how big the rubber wheels about this machine. So Siemens PLC HMI control. So I'm just wondering if you have interest on this completed line. Of course, without these lines, if you have interest in, I can process in the same price as the 4 nozzles, what I quoted for you.